Retirement doesn't have to mean staying at home and slowing down. In fact, the National Commission of Senior Citizens says it's time to break that mindset, and they're working with both the government and the private sector to open new job opportunities for older Filipinos, from malls to historic sites. This report from Ina Mortel.
For years, many have believed that senior citizens should simply stay home after retirement. But the National Commission of Senior Citizens, or NCSC, says it's time to change that thinking.
I think we need to educate our people also, lalo na ang family members, na pag nag-retire na ang kanilang mga mahal sa buhay, huwag nilang itali sa bahay na, dapat hindi ka na magtrabaho, dapat magpahinga ka na. There has to be a removal of that mindsetting. Kasi pag wala silang ginagawa, mas nalulungkot sila at nagkakaroon ngayon ng feeling of isolation.
The NCSC is now working with government agencies and private companies to give seniors equal job opportunities. One major mall chain is planning to hire senior citizens as part of its regular workforce.
Sa SM naman, more on employment yung kanila, na kung saan lahat ng malls nila ay magkakaroon ng certain percentage ng workforce na senior citizens. Titingnan natin kung ano-anong mga areas ng kanilang trabaho pwede sila.
The Commission and the mall operator are forming a technical working group to set the hiring process. They'll define suitable roles, work hours, and wage rates. The NCSC is also teaming up with the University of the Philippines Institute of Aging to craft medical guidelines that ensure the safety of senior workers. But job opportunities won't be limited to malls. The agency is also opening doors in the tourism sector. Before September ends, a tour guiding program will be launched in Intramuros, Manila in partnership with the Department of Tourism and the city government.
Meron po tayong ilulunsad na tour guiding livelihood opportunity sa Intramuros, sa City of Manila, bago po matapos ang Setyembre. Kasama natin ang Department of Tourism at ang City of Manila.
Up to 30 applicants will be chosen for a free 7-day seminar covering tour guiding skills and the history of Intramuros. To qualify, they must be Manila residents, physically fit, at least 60 years old, and able to speak English. For God, my beloved Philippines, this has been Ina Mortel, SMNA News.